guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is staying healthy, staying safe, and keeping everyone else safe. If you have been watching my videos, I joined a Facebook group called Minikit Monday, and for the month of March, and yes, it's already beginning of April, but we are catching up for the month of March for their challenge, and I've created a mini kit. I have the playlist down in the description below for the kit and the 3 layouts that I have created so far. And so this is our 4th layout, and this is the last layout using the kit. We still have quite a bit of items left over from the kit, but you know what? We can always use the scraps and other items that were from that kit. I have a layout in mind. I'm going to be using 2 pictures. These items here are from the kit. I'm using, basically they're like cardstocks, but this is double-sided. This is a Queen & Company papers. And then the other 2 are American Crafts, the black and white. And then I have the pictures here and some of the die cuts that I've already pulled for this layout. Let's start going. I'm excited to start this layout because I actually have a layout in mind. We are going to use the white cardstock here. This is going to be our base. I'm going to use and die cut a couple of dies from my diamond press here. This is my organizer that I have shown you, and if you haven't seen the video yet for how I organize my dies, the description or the link is down in the description below. So we're going to use this, I think it's called Girlfriend's Collection. I don't remember what it's called, but this is I cannot find it anymore. I bought this from HSN a while back. But anyway, I'm using 2 dies out of this, and we're going to die cut them using the black cardstock. So I'm going to put this here and put this here on this side. That way we can put back the dies that we just pulled out. I'm going to cut this black cardstock by 2 inches so we can cut the dies that we pulled out. I'm putting my die cutter here, and then we're going to face our dies up, and then we're going to lay our paper on. Make sure that this is in the folder. And then run it. I just love how clean the cuts are from the diamond press. Look how cute. Beautiful right there. You see it? Okay, and then we'll go for the next one. Again, face up. Look how gorgeous the cuts are, guys. So beautiful, so clean. Okay, let's put this back so we won't lose them. Okay, let's put this on the side, and now let's play with this paper here. I want to go ahead and tear the papers here and just tear them halfway. So I'm gonna move it or tear it towards me so that this will show. And I'm gonna start here like this. I'm gonna start here and do it from the branding strip, just basically taking out the branding strip. Okay, and then I'm going to go maybe halfway through. Basically, I want the picture to go here, but at the same time, I want the torn effect on this paper. So there you go. There's one. And so I'm going to do the same thing for this paper, towards tearing it towards me. Basically just taking out the branding strip, and then maybe about right there. So it depends on how you want to tear it. So like if it's going inwards that way, you just have to guide it and pull the paper towards to the right. And then if you want it to go back and straighten up a bit, you can pull it towards to the left. There you go, guys. Let me put it this way then. And that way I can have like an even-ish. All right, I'm just trying to even it as best I can. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tack this down. There you go. And then this one, I just wanted to make sure that it's gonna go and even out too. Okay. And then I want this picture to go up here. This to go here. This to go over here. This to go here, and then this to go here and there. I like that. And then on this side we'll go this way. This one goes here. Let's put this over here, and then maybe this one over here, and that one there. You know what? Let's put this over here, and then this one like that. Yeah, I think I like it this way. Yeah, I like that. All right, so let's put this on. I want to lift this up a bit. Lift that up a bit. And then we can put this across this way. There. There you go. And then this, we can put this way. And then we're gonna put this over here. I think I'll put it over here. And then this one over here. Hold on. This one over here. Let me put some glue at the back of this. Let's put our heart over here. And then let's pop this up. Don't let the cute fool you guys. See that face? That's a cute face, isn't it? And then we're gonna do Girl Gang for life that way. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love how it turned out, guys. Love it. I hope you like it too. If you do, thumbs up for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this together. I have been thinking about this layout for a couple of days now. This is our fourth layout for the March Mini Kit Monday challenge. I'm so happy this layout is done and I get to add this to my album now. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. That's it for now, guys. Till next month's challenge. I'll see you later. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep everyone safe, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye.